quick vlog because it's going to take me 2 seconds to do this for the front door. This is for Valentine's. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It's lovely for you to join me. Oh yeah, but you did because Frankie Jack's been helping that. No, but I tell you what, you're not doing good at. You're putting that everywhere, and I didn't want that to go everywhere. So you did excellent on the other stuff though. So let me show you what I've done. So I've got this. I'm gonna have to turn you around the other way. Hang on. Got some roses that, for about £6, and these are velvet roses. Yeah, but I can't. Hang on, I can't see. Some velvet roses. Those are from the range. I got this particular love heart for the front door. I got this last year. I got it from a garden centre. So what I've done is I bought batch, because it's going on my front door and it's a bit shaded in my front door. So I've got these, which are the little, I think they're called firefly lights or something like that. And I've twisted them in and out of the foliage. And then I've taken out of that bunch of roses, I've taken the smaller ones because there's a difference. There's larger ones and then there's smaller ones. The larger ones are going to go on my topiary ball outside. Frankie Jack's been trying to put that one in. So I've just popped those around. I'm going to attach that to the front door and then I'm going to pop those into the topiary ball as well. My front door. So that is the wreath that I've just been showing you, and it's got the lights from Primark, and we've stuck the, well, you can just see it slightly underneath there. I just need to sort that wire out, but I've put the roses in from the range, and then I've also my cat boo, I've also got this, but the solar lights haven't, I've put this around the front because the solar lights haven't taken in you know, the sun today, because this has been in the garage. I've only just got this out, and then I've stuck the bigger roses into there. Hopefully I'm going to go back and get some of those lights for here. And then I've also got this beautiful mat. I picked that up for about £5 from IKEA. So all in all, it's very, very quick, very, very simple. I've just done my front door up, and those lights are going to be on there eventually. And I've just done that up for Valentine's. And actually I will keep that up through a little bit of spring, probably till Easter. I love that mat as well. Just wish I'd have got those lights. I thought I bought 2 packs because those were only £2.50, but for some reason I can't find them. But who's to say little Frankie Jack might have had his hands on them, mightn't they? But that is all ready for Valentine's, and there's our boo. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't you go doing that with your paws on the new mat. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to write your comments in the section below. Love you lots. See you later.